Hello, what's up builders? Welcome to the architect channel, Builder Club. Today we are going to look into making the Courtyard container house. Hey, what's this clip doing here?
I thought you said you wanted it in the beginning.
Right, okay, we are going to go back and start again. Hey guys, welcome to the Builder Club. Today we are going to make the Courtyard container house. If you're a Patreon member, you would be able to download this pack or have it delivered to your house. It is based on the design that we have talked about on the channel before, and it's basically a house that's made of container with the emphasis on the outdoor space, which is the core. So inside each pack you will find a welcome card, basic project description and imagery of the design itself. So in this pack you will find 4 sheets, one of ground floor, first floor, exterior walls and the roof. Carefully check the content, and once you're happy with it, you can proceed. So what I do is I first of all start making the cuts of the ground floor. I do it by sticking to one orientation at a time. So I do the vertical cuts and then rotate the sheet itself to do horizontal. And once I have all the parts cut out, I will carefully go through it with the fold lines, and if there's any openings, I'll just carefully cut them out as well. The reason I do the fold line is because it makes the folding a lot cleaner, and it makes sure that the fold happens at the right place. There are more detailed objects such as stairs that might take a little bit longer, but the process is the same, so you just kind of do it the same way. So okay, once I've cut out all the pieces, I will proceed with gluing them together. The glue that I like to use is Juhu from Germany. It has a really fast reaction speed, so it does tend to leave a lot of strains if you don't work quick enough, but I really like the strength of the glue, so it's one of the best choices I can recommend. So once I've glued all the parts together, I tend to leave them on the side, and when they are all ready, I would start to assemble the floor itself. So what I'm doing here now is that I'm just putting all the parts that I've glued and got it ready, folded, put it onto the ground plate, which is where the sofa, the kitchen unit, solar batteries, water tank, and finally the stairs and the curtain walling, by which I mean the bifold doors. And this is what it should look like. So after that, I would move on to this first floor. The process really is the same. You do the same horizontal, vertical cuts, get all the parts ready on the side, and when you're ready, do the full lines and then fold it together. After that, you would just simply use this glue method and glue the first floor together. On this level, you'll find different objects such as beds and desks, but the overall process is the same. So just pay the same level of attention to detail, and you should have a pretty decent model on this floor. After that, there will be the roof and exterior walls, and this will be the last step of this model. So the way I did it is that I just firstly do the exterior wall first, and then move on to the roof. I cut out the solar panels and put them on the right place. When it comes to assembling the whole model together, there's no really a set rule to what you should do. The way I decided to put it all together is to have the ground floor holding most of the exterior walls, and the front wall is actually a door that you can open up and look inside, so they can see the internal space. So after all that, you should have something that looks like this. you can see how I included the door at the front to gain access to looking at internal space once the model is finished. Well, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you to make your own version. If you like this content, make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon so you get notification for any future videos. And also check out Patreons. We have many different types of membership that you can take part straight away. Until then, see you next time. Have a good day.